Good afternoon, friends. Thanks for joining. Today is Eid, so Eid Mubarak to all of you. And also, it's International Brothers Day, so happy Brothers Day as well. Few more days to go for the lockdown and things to open up. Most of the places it's opening up, and I think people are getting back to work slowly and steadily, which is good. The shops are opening up alternate days, so that's good again. So once again, good afternoon to all those who have joined in just now. Today on Roaring Cycle Spotlight, we have Mohit Singh, whose ID is Wanders Explorer. He is a rider, of course, and what he loves to eat food. Size बड़ा नहीं है, छोटा ही है, but he's a foodie and he loves to go to places which are less explored or less crowded. And he works in the corporate like most of us. So let's hear it from him. I'm going to invite him over. Give me a minute and stay there till the time. 1 minute. So we are waiting for Mohit to join us.
Hello, ma'am.
Hey Mohit. Good
How are you?
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm doing good. First of all, happy Eid to everyone and happy Brothers Day to all my brothers. Just enjoy the day.
Yeah, Eid Mubarak to you as well, and happy Brothers Day to you too. And I hope you are enjoying your lockdown. I know you don't like to sit in one place, but I hope you are enjoying your time there.
Yeah, just trying to manage time and that's it.
Yeah, I hope there is no lockdown for 5.0 now.
That's what we are expecting. Just hope for the best.
Cool. So without wasting too much of time, Mohit, can you give us a quick introduction of yours? We know you're a biker, but yeah, apart from that, what you like to do, what do you do, or what's your hobby? Let us know in a short way, in a brief description of yourself.
Sure. Like, hi everybody. Myself, Mohit Singh. Uh, I'm not only a writer but also co-founder of a chapter called Lycans Mumbai, which was established 1.5 years back in December. So it was a great experience. Not only that, apart from I love to eat food, as ma'am said, I'm foodie, and yes, I am an animal lover. I love animals because that's give a unconditional love. So that's what I love about them. Apart from that, I started my riding when 7 years back. I started with Honda Dio, but that time I was not riding like on highways. Just once I went to Karjat with my friend. After that, I got that uh, feeling how it is. So uh, then I bought my first bike, which was RTR 200. The good
Okay.
part was I was so amazed with that feeling. I went to the TVS official showroom at 11:30.
Network is cutting off.
Uh, so that's how I started my riding journey.
Cool. So, Mohit, yeah, you said you started with a Honda Dio 7 years back, and so what actually took you to start with riding in the first place?
The thing is, I always have a like insight in me that I want to explore the place. So I like prior to that I tried with public transport like by train or buses, but then there was feeling that somewhere the journey is incomplete because if you take a public transport, so the the journey, it is fixed from one place to another. But when it
Right.
comes to touring with bike and other things, you have
Mm-hmm.
the uh, that willingness or freedom to stay anywhere, halt anywhere, and explore the whatever places you want. So that's how I started. And as you had mentioned in my bio, I love to tour but not to speed, because if you see in India, every 100 kilometers you will find a different way of life, the
Mm-hmm.
different like new culture and new food style of people. So that's what I believe. I tour but not speed.
Yeah, I
But
have seen you riding like you don't go beyond 60 kmph or 70 at the most. Like, and I think yeah, a couple of times that you rode with me, I had to like literally push you out. Ke chalo yaar, ab to chalo. But it
yeah,
was
that
good riding with you in that slow speed. I appreciate your thought process that to tour you need to tour, but you need not really speed to tour.
yeah.
So that's a good thing. So Mohit, since you've been riding for 7 years, you rode a Dio and then you moved on to a RTR and all that, and you have been touring, I guess, for all these while. What is the one thing that you would always keep in your toolkit as a contingency, as or a backup?
As a backup, a few things which I kept. That is the first foremost things which I want when it comes to toolkit and backup is the medical first aid kit.
Mm-hmm.
Toolkit, most precisely, one of the important thing is puncture kit,
Okay.
because uh, I have seen people get injured just because of a single nail went into the tire and they disbalance their bike. So yeah, I know the importance of each and everything. So I make sure I prepare a day prior to the journey wherever I go, whether it is short or long one. And medical first aid kit is very important,
Absolutely, I
because
agree
you
to
never
that. You
know.
always need to have a basic first aid kit, like a anti-inflammatory, a painkiller,
Yes.
few gauze, cotton, sanitizer, um, yeah, some ointment that you can apply, and yeah,
Yeah.
bandages. Very necessary to keep that with you.
Yeah.
Um, and also, yeah, some burn ointment, like a Bernol or something,
But
in
no,
case you have a burn in your hand. Yeah, very good.
exactly.
So on your toolkit, you said you definitely keep a puncher kit, but does that include the like if you want to fill the air, पंचर तो हो गया, पंचर ठीक भी कर लिया, लेकिन air कैसे भरोगे?
Uh, for that, like earlier, it was very challenging things, but now you get like that air cylinder. So now
Mm-hmm.
things are very, and that is quite small in size, so very easily uh, carry. You can carry it with just in a bag. So yeah, that is there.
Okay.
So you can do that. Just fix your puncture tire and just push the cylinder in with the help of the tube which comes with it. So the air level will be maintained.
Cool. So Geet is saying that you will blow the air into into the tire with your mouth. So next time this happens, next time you have a punctured tire and if Geet is along with you, I would definitely ask you to ask him to keep blowing into the
Sure, sure.
tire.
I'll definitely ask him to do that.
Yeah, so that we can see how much how much his lungs has the capacity to do it. So yeah. Never mind. Also, yeah. So Savio says you can keep a portable electric pump, which is also a good
Yeah, that is a
device to keep.
good option.
Yeah. Uh, so let's come to your touring part of things. Mohit, tell me one place. Okay, now we know Lonavala, we know Ladakh, we know many of the places which are very common and people keep going there. But which is one place that you think where very few people go, since you go for less explored places? One place which you have gone which is less explored or less known to people in the biking community.
Uh, there are couple of places I have been, but I have not seen much crowd there. So I
Mm-hmm.
believe for people, just because it is a short distance, so people might avoid nowadays. So one is the Vandri Lake towards the dam, and if you go inside it, like when you cross that mountain curve and you go inside it, so there is a beautiful place where you can just park your bike after a off-road track. And
Mm-hmm.
apart from that, there is a place in Lonavala, before Lonavala, that is called Kolate waterfall. That is also
Okay.
a very beautiful place. There is a water. The place is quite small but very beautiful, and there is a all you will see around greenery and peace. It's a very beautiful and calm place to chill out with your friends and family if you want to. So
Where exactly does this Kulate Fall
it
come? Like
comes
अभी हम लोग
in
ने तो
Khopoli.
खंडाला देखा है,
It comes in
खंडाला देखा है,
Khopoli.
लोनावला देखा है. Sorry,
Comes in
say again.
Khopoli.
खोपोली. Okay.
Yeah.
Where exactly in Khopoli? Like हाईवे के बाजू में या
If
आजू
you
बाजू में?
remember, you have been for a official TVS ride and you halted in uh, a market. If you remember, so there is a
Yeah.
statue of Shivaji Maharaj. So from that you have to
Mm-hmm.
take a right turn and just go inside. So it is
Okay.
quite inside. It is somewhere
Okay.
nearby Salman Khan's farmhouse.
Okay. I don't know Salman Khan. So, so Siddharth says that उसका ससुराल वहीं पे है. So next time we go to Kolate
Yes, yes.
Falls, we will
We have
definitely
planned.
go to
We have planned.
सिद्धार्थ प्लेस. सिद्धार्थ खाना तैयार रखना, हम जरूर आएंगे बिकॉज मोहित वैसे भी फूडी है और खाना मुझे भी पसंद है, लेकिन वेज रखना मैं वेज
Anyway,
खाती हूँ. Yes, he will go there. Um, so yeah, typically you said Bandri Lake or Colote Falls, but you said there is also like since you're a foodie, okay, इन जगहों पे खाना मिल जाता है?
yes, of course. And well, I'll tell you one thing. Uh, I have like quite of experience going out when I go to hotel to eat like within the city. So I don't find it much comfortable because I feel there is a lot of formality that is done. Serve this first that. Foodie means foodie. That's it.
Correct.
So I prefer to go to dhaba. Like
Mm-hmm.
first think about dhaba, you will get food fresh cooked in front of you, and they will serve you better, like on the plate. So that's what
Right.
I love about dhaba. I'll tell you one of the place which is very famous, but it is a vegetarian place. It is a Vivek Corner food. When you come back
Okay.
from Vandri towards Mumbai, so when you
Mm-hmm.
cross the toll naka, so it is on the left hand side. It is called Vivek Food Corner. The best part
Okay.
about that place is first thing, it is run by a temple trust, and
Okay.
they also have pet animals which have been rescued. So you can see
Mm-hmm.
there are
Mm-hmm.
emus, horses, like couple of animals. They pet them and like safeguard them.
Okay.
And the thing is, when you arrive there, yeah, they there is a delay in serving the food because they will make like ready fresh food for you,
Mm-hmm.
not like
Okay.
already food is cooked and they will serve it. They will make it fresh cooked for you, and you
Okay.
will find various kind of stuffs if you want to buy those totally handmade, and
Mm-hmm.
it is like of bamboo, like done with the natural resources, not like plastic or other kind of stuff. So that's what
Okay.
I love about that place.
Great, great. I also love dhaba food, and like Savio says foodie khana dekhta hai ambience nahi, which is very
That's
correct.
what.
Like as long as it's clean and hygienic, just sit there, वो चारपाई पे बैठ जाओ, उन लोग गरम गरम खाना रोटी सेक के सामने सामने बना के देते हैं. That is like amazing to sit and eat, even if it is a very simple food. मी बीइंग अ वेज, मैं ज्यादा मतलब ऑब्वियसली मैं नॉनवेज के तरफ जाती नहीं हूँ, बट जहाँ तक मैंने ट्रैवल किया है वहाँ पे मैंने भी ज्यादा करके ढाबे का ही खाना खाया है, विच इज अमेजिंग अमेजिंग. आई कंप्लीटली एग्री विथ यू ऑन दैट. तो और कोई जगह आप गए हो लाइक दिस इज वेरी आउटस्कर्ट्स ऑफ मुंबई, बट एनी अदर प्लेस दैट यू हैव गॉन टू?
As of like I've been to many places, but those places are very common, like Lonavala, Tamini, then other places towards Kelva, So most of the places are very common, but these are the places which I mentioned earlier. The crowd is quite less, and it's a good time to just find yourself and be at, like, calm.
Okay, cool. So, guys, let's plan a ride to Colote Falls.
We
I
have
think
already
बारिश तो बहुत ही मस्त रहेगा वहाँ
we
पे.
have already planned. Post just the lockdowns
But
gets over, we are ready
that's
towards that.
okay. So you have not invited me, so I'm not going to
You
join
are
you.
always invited, as you know.
That's really great. Mohit, like I think you're similar. You're the similar age of Geet, who we interviewed last time, and at such a short age, both of you have started. I mean, such a young age. Sorry, not a short age. My mistake. But yeah, at such a young age, you people have started a group called Lycans. How? I mean, how did you go about it? I mean, with setting up the rules, setting up the safety measures, and things like that. How
Uh,
do you think,
sure.
rather, how difficult it was and how easy it was?
Just I would say it was a challenging task for me. Uh, Prior to that, I was a part of couple of groups, but I first thing I would say before telling about Lycans Mumbai, uh, rules are okay. Like first thing, any person who wants to go and ride on the weekend, the first and the foremost motto inside of that person will be to ease themselves,
Right.
not to always be bound by the rules. Do that, you have to do this, the thing which is right now happening around. Like
Hmm.
if you want to be a part of group, first thing they will say, they will sell their products, merchandise, you have to buy this. Oh, so it is like every group wants to show themselves in a different way. I'm not against that, but I say somewhere it is not necessary.
Hmm.
It is not
Right.
necessary.
Correct. Yeah.
Rules, yeah, I believe very strongly when it comes to discipline, but rules, it is just a burden on people. That is the reason many of people comes in the group and they left informing anybody, because yeah,
Hmm.
they feel that it is a kind of burden, because they just want to ease themselves. So
Hmm.
when it comes to Lycans, I left certain groups because I didn't find it comfortable, and I started Lycans with three people.
Hmm.
But when then I started meetups. So almost for a couple of months, it was just we three people. But we didn't give up. We did ride. We
Hmm.
made meetups. We did it, and
Okay.
now we have
Okay.
20 plus people, and people are always welcome. And we believe
Nice.
in
Nice.
one thing:
Hmm.
rules can be changed uh, with the convenience of the people, because
Correct.
it's always a group. This is a misconception when it comes to a group, that people is known by the group, but I believe group is known by the people.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So that is a
Because if the
misconception.
people in the group are not happy, then they are not going to promote the
Exactly,
group name, or they are not going to stay
exactly,
with the group. Yeah.
exactly. So the first thing what I did, I admin, the term called admin, for
Hmm.
me and for the Lycans Mumbai or Lycans India, all the across 8 chapters. Admin is
Oh, you
just
have
for
eight
the.
chapters.
We have 8 chapters.
Can you quickly tell me the place? I mean the chapters where you'll have it.
Lycans Mumbai, Lycans Belgavi, Lycans Mysore, Lycans Pune, Lycans North Bengal, Lycans Delhi, Lycans Bangalore, and we are
Oh
growing.
wow, that's awesome. That's really awesome.